After completing the renovation of a master bathroom and master bedroom, here is a tour on how everything turned out. And let's start in the ceiling. We did a decoration. The moldings were purchased at pearlworks.com. That ceiling was decorated with more than 150 pieces, I believe it was. Then we had the wall, mantle, and then we did a small niche unit that it's for a picture, a piece of art. Then we did a fireplace also for a piece of art, and a fireplace with moldings and flutes. This unit at the corner, that one has a flip down door that it has a sensor on the corner, and what it does is it turns the light on, the LEDs, and that cabinet has wallpaper. And then we also did a heating unit, heating drawer, that the purpose is for jewelry, necklace and stuff like that. Really nice looking, and it's hidden, so you know it's for keeping everything away from the front. And then we did some dovetail undermount soft close drawers. Then we decorated a little bit the entrance, the arch, with also quarter-inch material with some moldings from Pearlworks. We also did a barn door. We manufactured this one. We purchased the flat door and we added the moldings at the shop, and we install it, and it slides really smooth, and that gives access to the toilet. Okay, that's the main toilet of the bathroom. We also did this closet or cabinet that we call it the water closet cabinet. And the whole purpose is to keep tools, cleaning tools, hidden, and also below this shelf, that is where the water pump is for the tub, for the jets. So that worked out really nice, and that's one of the vanities. That's the big one. 2 sinks, one on each side, and also soft close everywhere, flutes, some moldings from Pearlworks, and 2 towers, one on each side, one for her, one for him. A little bit of decoration on the chandelier. And this last unit, this one was for the makeup area. So I hope you like it. Please consider subscribing and let me know what else you would like to see. Till next time, bye for now.